psychic anything. I'm following along with cellular memory. I see that as a hypothesis. It's not the verification.
Right.
Proof is a word that they use in legal terms. But that's all the system. That's all the patriarchal stuff that keeps us from getting to the truth. And so there's all these people running around and running. If you really want to know what's behind the wall, go look.
¿Ya le baja la tierra?
Ey, pero tápenla ahí. Haz para acá, mijo. Esa aquí ya no. De aquí ya no la agarro.
Bueno, ya échenle para acá.
Un cajón nada más.
Y acá echan una tierra para que se llena las cosas, así porque entra el agua.
Así. Ey, lo descarga más abajito un poquito. Pone el este.
I found a fossil, and the fossil was, a seashell way up there. And this was all water at one point.
Yeah.
The line probably split, and
Yeah.
the water went down, and you
Yeah.
know, the molecules, they like to go run around.
Yeah.
That may not be happening now because college students, 7 in 10 college students support restricting intentionally offensive speech. Okay. It's complicated. A Gallup survey showed that 72% of college students said they oppose campus restrictions on expressing political views that are upsetting or offensive to certain groups. But asked whether slurs or other intentionally offensive language should be banned, they said they were all for it.
The solar pumps are really easy to check. Okay, there we go. It only pumps a gallon a minute, but you can at least take it out of the well if you take it out. You want to be doing this every day. Let's see where the water level is. Let's see where the water is, right there, so it's come up. Fuck, it's come up a couple feet, so shit, we can get some more. Not too bad. It's come up 2 feet since the last rain, so it's starting to come up.
When it comes that obstructing journalists is legit, if the people of the protest believe the press will be unfair to them in its reporting.
What is unfair? What angered your heart?
Man, we still say it. We're still worshiping whatever enrolled with them, and they wrecked it all. They wrecked the spirituality.
I'm a university student and I've just been taking pictures. I'm not supposed to be here. You have to call the police? Okay. What would you like me to do right now?
So to get it in the ground, into the aquifer instead of on the surface, it's just a matter of timing with the other drainage things that's happening.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Anyway, we have to have water.
Right.
You gotta have something to release.
Yeah, we haven't had anything in, what, 4 years?
Yeah.
So, in this area, it's not Colorado. It's still
You're not filming.
I am, yeah.
No.
No? Okay.
Forecast in a moment. Good morning, welcome to Sunday. Farmland, here's what's happening at this hour. San Francisco police are asking for the public help in locating a missing 2-year-old girl whose mother has been taken to retrieve a time.
Contact Ann Anderson at 637-1166.
At all 23 campuses. In San Diego, did you know this produces more electricity from solar energy than any other city in the U.S. except for Los Angeles? And that's according to a new report by Environment California. This is brought to you by Fast Auto Loans.
And also for your family, it's the Big One. The original RV show and sale, April 1st to the 10th at Sierra RV on South Street.
Standing by now, CNN calls Chris the Indiana Jones of natural medicine because he's so constantly with a big just too blind. See? Up in a bottle, does feel right. Out to the crazy kids for me. I'm up on the fire right.
To talk to City Church, call the Wild Card line at 818-5.
Edward KNX 1070 News Radio. It's a wet weekend, and there is a watch underway as well.
Meteorologist Scott Stuco at the National Weather Service. Overnight, we're going to continue to see some showers. There could even be an isolated thunderstorm or two. So we do have that flash flood watch going through tomorrow afternoon, and that's mainly for the burn areas. Yeah, there could be thunderstorms that develop pretty much anywhere. So, but we're mostly concerned about flash flooding near the burn areas.
The showers could reach into Monday, but look for things drying out on Tuesday. Jan Stevens, KNX 1070 News Radio.
Right, keep that umbrella handy, maybe keep it in your pocket.
See if they've got themselves back up to speed. Back up to speed.
Quite a story. And then, you know, I had the kind of, I think, normal, at times, friction between coach and teammates.
Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's factual. Everything is satisfactual. Wonderful feeling, wonderful day.
Because Mom and Dad decided to get me kind of more of a 6-week program. Within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, Robert. The first thing I noticed was that I felt better waking up. Then I noticed that my hair wasn't all over the furniture. I was excited.
He got 69. We're not running.
caso necesita el automóvil de sus sueños, ya sea para, a lo mejor también lo está buscando como negocio. También tenemos una línea muy grande de automóviles de flotilla.
Por supuesto. A ver, mis amigos, una vez más, 10:20 AM. Univisión América, una estación euforia. How do you think our healthcare? Oh boy, this doesn't look good. Una estación euforia.
What are we talking about here? And it looks like a recession is off the table. That's important for the folks to know too, right?
If you look at the things that might cause a recession, we don't see any of that in California or really in the U.S. What's driving growth here is the U.S. consumer. We have growth in demand. That supports both California businesses in general and in specific the logistics industry, which processes goods that come in from Asia for all of the U.S.
And of course, the other thing that's popped up here, the minimum wage here in California is going up. It'll go up to, $15 an hour by the year 2022. You guys taking a look at the impact this is going to have here on California.